Less than 4 months ago, Ritzville's only hospital was on life support, facing the possibility of layoffs and closure. Since then, they managed to steer away from that scenario, but as KREM 2's Cody Proctor found out, some living in the area feared the proposed changes to save the hospital could also hurt the community.
Well, right behind me is East Adams Rural Healthcare in Ritzville, and it was this exact spot where I first reported about the hospital potentially closing. According to current leadership, the hospital's financial crisis stemmed from previous hospital administration reportedly concealing deficits, falsifying financial documents, and engaging in unauthorized spending. In all, they ended up being short $10.5 million with a debt of about $5 million. They managed to pull away from the brink of closure through cash infusions. East Adams Rural also filed to operate as the state's first rural emergency hospital, but that route would lead them to cutting some of their services, including primary care. According to the most recent data from the U.S. Census Bureau, Ritzville's elderly population makes up about 20% of the community, one that relies on health care. Caregiver and Ritzville City Council member Jessica Quinn says she's concerned about the impact closing primary care services to become an REH could have on her clients.
It's going to be a little bit of a scramble to figure out how to take care of our neighbors, and we're going to need everybody to step up and learn how to check on our neighbors again and make sure everybody's doing okay.
While Quinn acknowledges the hospital's been dealt a tough hand, she believes it wouldn't take much to keep the services. I reached out to hospital administrators about the concerns. They said at this time, the closure of the primary care clinic is not final. Now, East Adams Rural Healthcare still has a long way to climb out of this situation. They still need to settle that $5 million in unsecured debt to avoid filing for bankruptcy. In Ritzville, Cody Proctor, KREM 2 News.